Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Windows Mobile in your Android phone with using Limbo PC Emulator application. So let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Windows Mobile 2003 SE. So basically this video is for the education purpose and for the people who want to get the experience Windows Mobile in your Android phone with using Limbo PC Emulator. So there are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. In that videos, I've shown how you can run Windows XP 7, 8, 8.1, 10 and 11 as well. So if you want to get more videos on this topic, that how you can run Windows in your Android phone, so make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the more updates. So after a long time, I'm bringing this video on my YouTube channel after a very long break. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run Windows Mobile in your Android phone. So first of all, you have to download a file, that is Windows Mobile 2003 SE, the downloading in the description. And second thing, you have to download the Limbo PC Emulator application, the downloading in the description. Something about my channel, on my YouTube channel I bring a lot of videos like this, that how you can run any Windows in your Android and how you can run any PC software in your Android phone. So basically my main motto of my YouTube channel is to show you how you can make your Android phone into PC and how you can get the experience of the PC in your Android phone. So some of the people don't have PC, so but they want to do some PC work, so that will be very beneficial for them. Or some people want to get the experience of Windows in their Android phone, and there are some might softwares which will going to work in Android, which will the very beneficial for them. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can run Windows Mobile. In my upcoming videos I'm going to bring a lot of videos on this topic, that how you can run. So you can check out all my previous videos. On that videos I have shown many things, like how you can run software, Microsoft and many other softwares in your Android phone. So make sure to check out my channel. So after downloading both the files, like the Windows file and the Limbo PC Emulator application, both the files are downloading in the description. Make sure to check out. I have provided the Telegram link. From Telegram you will get the direct link, so you don't need to worry. Many people commenting on my videos that they are not getting a link. First of all, they have to get into my Telegram channel. After Telegram they can get the direct link of the files. So now I'm going to show you how you can run Windows Mobile. First of all, you have to open the Limbo PC Emulator application. You have to click on the none. So I've already created the machine, so let me just show you the configuration on all the settings of this Windows, how you can run. So after creating machine, I've named it just mobile, and you have to get into the user interface and you have to do all these settings. And in the board you have to do all the settings like PC, machine type PC, or CPU model I have selected code to do, codes I have selected 4, and RAM I have selected 1000, enough for this Windows. And you have to make sure to enable MTTCG, and you have to uncheck the disable TSC. So this is all the settings you have to do in the board. And you have to scroll down, you have to get into the disk, and you have to select the disk A. From here you have to select the file which you have downloaded, the Windows Mobile 2003 SE version, the download in the description. You have to select this file, and you have to scroll down, and in the audio you have to select SB16, Sound Blaster 16. And internet, it's currently not working, but I'm going to work on it to make sure the internet will going to work, because if you use internet in the Windows, it will get a very good experience for using the Windows. So if I've done all the settings, now you have to click on the play button. So as you can see in the screen, the boot screen of the Windows Mobile over here, and it's booting up here. It will not going to take so long. It will boot very quick. Just you have to wait. So as you can see in the screen, the mouse cursor has been appear in the Android screen. As you can see, this is the Limbo running over here, and the sound is coming over here, and it will saying Windows Mobile. It will more similar look like the Windows XP, and the Windows has been started over here. It will saying it has automatically opened the calendar. So let me just close it. So you can see in the screen, this is the Windows Mobile version has been successfully booted in my Android phone. Now I can use it. so it will look very different from the actual Windows XP. So this is the today active sync, calendar, contact, internet explorer. For now the internet is not working, but sure I'm going to work on it to make sure the internet is going to work, and I will bring another video on that internet is working in this. So I'm working on it. To subscribe to my channel for that update. So I'm going to click on the programs, and this is all you can see in the screen. So this is the games where you can play. As you can see, this is the games playable in this. Sound is very clear because we have selected the sound card. So this is the game. If you want to get the experience of the Windows Mobile, you can use this. This is very fun. As you can see, this is the calculator. So this is the pocket Excel of the times. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Excel. So as you can see, this is the Excel, pocket Excel. It called as pocket Excel. So this is the in the times after 2003. So this is the file just we have saved. And now this is the MSN Messenger application, notes, pictures, pocket MSN. So this is the pocket Word. Let me just open. So this is the Word application where we are using nowadays as a Word while using to create documents. So as you can see, this is the perfectly working over here. As you can see, all the features over here. Let me just click to OK. It will going to automatically save you. He didn't ask for the to save or not like the latest Windows, just it will automatically saving. So this is the Windows media player, sim contacts. So we are using the Windows Mobile, so obviously it will go having the option for the sim because it's from the mobile. And this is the terminal, like the CMD what we are using nowadays, PC. So this is the start button, and you can get all the settings over here in settings, buttons, import on. So as you can see in the screen, this is the Windows Mobile perfectly working. If you want to get the experience of the Windows Mobile in your Android phone, you can use it. Or if you want to use for any purpose for work, it will going definitely work for you. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.